If you make videos online on different platforms, then there is one thing you need to learn to go viral, and that is video editing. Whether you make videos on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, then you need to learn video editing to go viral on these platforms. You can do video editing on both phone or PC, anything you have, but I know most of you guys don't have a computer to edit your videos. So that is why in this video we are going to talk about video editing with phone using Kinemaster. Yeah, we are going to use Kinemaster to edit our videos, but why Kinemaster? There are a lot of video editing apps that we can use instead of Kinemaster. The main reason for using Kinemaster is the features that we get on this video editing application, and it is also very user friendly and easy to use video editing app for most of people. There are a bunch of effects and cool features that you will not get in other video editing applications. Now you know the reason why we chose Kinemaster for video editing. Let's begin now. So guys, here we are on our phone screen, and the first thing that we need to do is that go to Play Store, and here just search for the app Kinemaster, and then I have already downloaded this app on my device. If you haven't, then just download it and tap on the open button. So now it will launch the app Kinemaster. So just wait for a minute, and then after that it will take you to the main interface of Kinemaster. Basically this is the main interface, and just tap on this create button, tap on create new, and then here you need to just type the name of your project. So I'm going to type video, and then here you can see ratio. So ratio are very important. If you make videos on YouTube, then you need to choose 16:9 if you make long videos, but if you make short videos on YouTube, then you can choose 9:16. There are also many other ratios for Instagram, and if you want to look a little bit professional, then you can choose this ratio that I choose in my every video. So but right now I am going to go with 16:9, the normal ratio of YouTube. And after choosing your ratio and typing the name of your project, tap on this create button, and you can also see the main more advanced setting, but I think these are not that much important. Tap on this create button, and then it will take you to the main interface of Kinemaster. That is very important, and that is why you're watching this video. So right here you need to just go to video and choose the video that you want to edit. So over here I'm going to choose this video, and you can see this is the video. Let me play this video a little bit. You can see this is the video. I'm going to decrease the sound, and right now you can see this is the video that we have imported on Kinemaster. And first thing you need to do is that just tap on this, and let's say you want to just trim any part or delete any part of your video. So right here you can see this icon, trim or split. Just tap on it, and now you can see these four options. Trim left. So if you tap on trim left, then this left part of this video will be deleted. Let me show you. I'm going to tap on trim left, and you can see this left part is deleted, gone. It's gone. If you tap on trim right, then this right part will be deleted. I'm going to show you trim right, and you can see this part is deleted. And now let's say you want to remove the middle part of your video from here to there. Let's say that from this part to this part. So just you need to do is that put your timeline from where you want to start the splitting process, and just tap on this split button, the third option, and again go over here and tap on split. So from using this way, you can remove the unnecessary part from your videos. So you can see this is the process. And now let's say you want to delete this middle clip. Just select the clip and tap on this delete button on this side, and here you can see that this clip is totally deleted. And now let's say how you can add transition. So you can see this button, this minus sign over here. Tap on it, And now here you can see bunch of cool effects that you can add on your videos. First one is this one, and you can see your video will look something like this. uh, See that this is called transition. If you want to, I mean, join two clips, then you can use transition to join it, so it will look more professional. And you can also select duration, how much I mean the speed. You can see that now the speed is very fast, so it will look something like this. And you can also slow it down. I'm sorry guys, if you take this thing to 0.1, then it will be very fast, but if you just take this thing to 2.5, then it will be very slow. So like this you can add transition. There are many transitions that you can use, like 3D transition. We have this box effect, so it will kind of look like box, and you can see then we have many transitions that you can use. So now we have learned about transition, how you can add transition. Let's say you want to add some pictures or any kind of video on your photo. So to do that, just tap on this button layer, over a layer, tap on it and tap on this button media. So from here you can add any kind of video or photo on your screen, on your main video. So right now here we have this thumbnail, this thumbnail. So now just select the photo, and you can see we have successfully added this photo on our screen. You can increase or decrease the size, put this photo anywhere on your screen, anywhere, literally anywhere. So you can see just using this method you can add any kind of photo or video on your screen. Let's say I'm gonna show you the video. We have go to videos, and then here you can see we have this screen recording. So I'm gonna select this screen recording. Video can't be used due to this video. I think I've deleted the video, but it's again showing over here. So I'm gonna choose another video. So let's say this video, it's too long, but still it's fine. So right now you can see we have added this video on our main video. You can see that. So you can put this video anywhere on the screen, and if you play this video it will look something like this. You can see that. So I'm gonna delete this video right now, and also this photo thumbnail. And using this method you can make your videos professional. And now let's say you want to add a text on your video. So to do that, just tap on this layer button again and tap on this text icon T. Just tap on it, and then here it will show you the keyboard. So just type the text that you want to add on your video and tap on OK. So right now you can see we have added this text, my name, on my video. So this is the video, and you can also see on our timeline we have this text. So you can adjust the duration, how long you want to put this text on your screen. And you can, from here you can also change the color. You can see color. So let's say red, and then you can see the color is changed. We have many features, like you can also add in transition when text will come, what will be the transition, fade, pop, slide. You can also adjust the speed, fast or slow, uh, slide up, slide down, clockwise. There are many transition that you can use to make your videos professional. And then here we have uh, alpha, means opacity. If you want to decrease or increase the opacity, you can just use this feature. So we have many features available for this thing. And now you want to add a music, background music on your video. So to do that, you can see this button, this audio icon. Just tap on it, and then here you can see we have a bunch of audio. Right now we have, let's say I'm gonna add this audio. Just select the audio that you want to add and tap on this plus button, and now we have added our audio. You can select the duration. You can put this audio anywhere on your video, anywhere on your timeline, and from this part the audio will start. Let's say I'm going to put this at the beginning, and now you can see the audio. So using this method you can add the audio on your screen. And now we have this feature to add recording. So let's say you want to record your voice and add that voice on your video. So using Kinemaster you can also do it. Just tap on start button, and now it will record your voice that you are speaking. Right now you can see it's recording the voice, and tap on the stop button. Now it will stop the recording, and here you can see the recording that you have recorded right now. And you can also trim some part of your recording if you don't like it. And using this method you can just record anything. And here we also have this middle button. Over here you can see this icon. So just you need to just tap on it, and what it will do is that you can record any kind of clip from this app Kindmaster. Let's say you want to record a video with your back camera. I mean, this is me recording right now, so you can just record it. uh, it will take the photo. Let me take this photo, and now you can see it has taken the photo. Just tap on this button, and you can see that we have added this photo. So as right now we have learned about every basic feature of Kindmaster, and to become a pro in video editing with Kindmaster you need to practice, and then after some time you will learn everything in this Kindmaster. It's very easy, just you need to do some editing, and you learn every feature on your own. So as the last thing I want to tell you is that how to save this video on your device. So to save this video, just tap on this button on the top, and over here it will show you this thing. So from here you can adjust the quality of your video, high or low. I'm gonna say high, and then here just tap on this button, save as video. Just tap on it, and it will show you this thing. So if you want, then you can buy the premium version of Kindmaster. If you don't, then you skip it, and it will just save the video.